Alright guys, now we're going to be looking at data entry. Now data entry is a very important task that we're going to be performing regularly as we use Excel. So it's important we understand the logic and how to input data. Now it's not difficult to do. Now all you have to do here is you have all the cells here. So whenever you want to input data, all you need to do is bring your cursor to where you want to start from. Let me just do a zoom here so that we can see clearly what we're about to do. Alright, so all you need to do is bring your cursor wherever it is you want to start inputting data from. So what I'm going to do is I'll just start from this particular cell, which is A2. So I'll go there and type sales. Alright, I'll just type sales. Okay, now the moment you type sales and you are okay with what you've typed, all you need to do is to press enter. Now press enter and you are good. So you have that data has been imputed there. So let's put in something else here. Now you observe that at the moment this cell is saying in the status bar ready mode. You can see that it's saying in the ready mode, but the moment you start typing, it will change to edit mode. So here I'm going to type expenses. Alright, can you see that now? So it's expecting me to press enter at this point because it's on the edit mode. So let's say for whatever reasons you made an error here. So instead of expenses you wrote it like this, and so you want to make a correction there. So all you need to do is either to just use your backspace, alright, to just delete what you had and do the correct spelling, okay, or let me go back. Let's say you already made that mistake, you pressed enter and you want to edit what you have there. Now what you could do is either to come here and retype it, because the moment you put your cursor on this and you type, it will automatically wipe off all the things you have there presently. So if that is what you want to do, you basically just go ahead and type, okay, which is something like this. Just type the correct spelling, then you press enter. Else, let's say maybe you've typed a very long sentence and you don't want to edit everything there. So instead of having to do it the way I just showed you now, so let me just go back using my Ctrl+Z to undo what was there before. So we have that. So instead of just typing directly here, you can basically just double click on that cell. And you can see here you have edit is now in edit mode, so you can now use your arrow key to bring your cursor to where you want to make that correction. So you go ahead and do that. Then after you're done, you can now press enter. So that's that. Then also, let's say we want to have something like profit here, profits. Okay, profits. Okay, good. Now you observe that each time we input data and we press enter, it comes to the next row. Okay, so let's just input some random data, some random figures here. So I'll press say 50, and the moment I press, I want to type just a few data in each of this column like this. So rather than pressing enter, because when I press enter here, it will come to the next row, which is this. Okay, so rather than pressing enter, I want to fill in all these parts first, the one for sales first. So I'll just press my tab key to take me to the next column. So I put in the next value, tab, put in the next value, tab, put in the next value, and tab, I put in the next value. You can see that. So the moment I'm done, I can press enter. It takes me to the next row, and I begin to input the right data there. So press, I go tab, I press tab, I type, I go tab, I type, I go tab. Good. So let's say no, we don't want this value. We say we have just this here, and we also want to edit what we have here. Like I said, you can just go ahead and just type what you want there. You can see that. Then you press enter. So you see it goes down as well. So that's basically how we input data in Excel. So in the next class, I'll show you more things we can do with our data.